నేను హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి అండి. సో రిగార్డింగ్ మై హెయిర్ లాస్ చాలా క్లినిక్స్ కన్సల్ట్ చేశాను బిఫోర్ న్యూ రూట్స్, బట్ ఫైనలీ I feel that I came to the right place because I got my hair transplantation like 1 week back. ఇది నా 8th day అండి ఇవాళ. So everything was smooth, the staff was extremely friendly and completely it is a painless procedure, like hardly like 0.1% ఉంటుంది just when you're getting that anesthesia ante. So overall very good experience, and definitely I would suggest you to come and visit if you have a long-term hair loss issue. So yeah, that's all. I'm waiting for my results to come out. Yep, thanks to New Roots. Thank you, New Roots.